Hey, ever feel like you're doing keto on an island? You're tracking your carbs, making smart choices, and everyone around you is eating chips and saying, you can't eat that either? Yeah, I've been there. It's tough staying motivated when no one gets your lifestyle and understands it. But here's the truth. You don't have to go it alone. Today, I want to share 3 big reasons why joining an online keto community can completely change your journey and help you stay consistent, motivated, and supported every step of the way. Point number 1, shared experience and emotional support. Let's be real. Keto isn't always easy. Whether it's battling cravings, dealing with unsupportive friends, or just wondering if you're doing it right, we all hit roadblocks. That's where keto forums and Facebook groups come in. These spaces are packed with people who've been where you are. They offer encouragement, relatable stories, and the kind of emotional support that can turn a bad day around. One post can remind you you're not alone, and yes, you can do this. Point number 2, real-world tips and solutions. Ever wonder if that keto-friendly snack is really low carb? Or need ideas for a quick dinner that doesn't blow your macros? Online keto communities are a goldmine of real-life advice, from recipe swaps to troubleshooting keto flu. You'll find tips that actually work from people living it daily. These aren't just textbook solutions, mind you. They are field tested by folks just like you. Point number 3, motivation through connection. When someone shares a before and after pic or says their energy's back, it's not just inspiring, it's contagious. The momentum you feel from seeing others succeed, that keeps you going. And when you share your progress, even something small, you're not just celebrating, you're inspiring others also. That sense of community and shared purpose, it's a massive motivator. So if you haven't joined a keto group yet, do it today. Find your people, ask questions, offer support, and get involved. You'll be amazed at the difference it will make for you. And if you're already part of one, tag your favorite group in the comments. Let's keep growing together. And remember, you don't have to do keto alone ever again. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more keto tips and hacks to keep you on track. See you in the next video.